Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today on this video, what I'm going to be doing is, I've picked out this little piece of wood here, and what I've decided to do is, since it's my mum's birthday coming up, I thought I'd make my mum a little birthday surprise. I also just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting my videos and sharing these with your friends. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, I'm just going to be making something out of this piece of wood for my mum, and I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's get started. I think the parting tool is a bit blunt, so I decided to use a saw. I'm going to need to sharpen that. Here you go. So I've just sanded inside here, inside the lid of the pot, to 400 grit. And now what I'm going to do is put some sanding seal, Yorkshire grit, and shellac wax on it. Okay guys, as you can see, I've now got this lid to fit. So now what I'm going to do is just shape it up a bit more. Okay guys, so here we are. As you can see, obviously I've put some little like cotton in here, some wool, in case maybe she wants to use it for like a ring box or something to put I don't know, anything in. So as you can see, it fits on very well. It's not going to come off, so it's very good and tight. So I hope you guys did enjoy this project here today. This is just a little surprise for my mum, considering it's her birthday. Yeah, I really hope she likes this. I think it's upside down, but you can see it says "Happy Birthday, Mum," which is good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here today. I really do appreciate you coming over to the channel and watching my videos. So if you did enjoy this video, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video and also drop a comment of what you think of this little pot for my mum. Also, if you guys could share this video with your friends, I would greatly appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time with another video of Charlie the Maker.